Hello and welcome to Spin Barbecue. Let's make chicken curry. Of course, we need some cauliflower, some chicken. I've got 4 pounds of chicken here, 2 green peppers, 1 solo garlic, some coconut butter, pepper, curry of course, coconut cream and coconut milk, which I didn't film adding. Okay, so I'm having the chicken breasts on the height and then stripping them, melting about maybe 2 to 3 tablespoons of coconut oil in my wok and adding the chicken, which I start to brown, and I season this with pepper, salt, curry powder and some of the garlic. Any which way, twisting them around. I had to fry it in batches, so I took about 1 pack of chicken each. Then I added it all back together, cut over some fresh thyme to taste really, some rosemary. I just ripped the rosemary leaves off of the stalks. I didn't use the stalks. Then I added the vegetables in there, which I chopped into small pieces, mixed it all up and gave it a little bit of color. I added now the coconut milk and coconut cream, 1 can of each, and this is what it looked like 20 minutes later when it had been boiling. So I'm just leaving it to cook through, and this is what we have. Time to plate it. I'm using the little bowl for this. This could of course be topped with cilantro, but I'm using a little bit of the thyme since I had it. Anyway, time for a taste test. There we go, chicken curry with cauliflower, some spices, and well, you saw it. That's really good. I'm gonna enjoy this. Thank you for watching. Bye.